So Marcus, we're on the Schunk booth at EMO 2019, and has to be the highlight for me on your stand. The jaws are being replaced by a robot, not a human. How does that work?
The idea is of getting a very, very flexible system to produce lot size 1 around the clock, and especially for the small lot sizes, the flexibility for the lathe shop come only from the jaws. And so the robot is doing the work that has been done by the humans before.
So to me, I hear it a lot. I always say to people, why don't you automate? And they all say the same thing. We don't have volume to automate. We have batches of 10 and less, so we can't automate. With this, you can.
Exactly, that's the idea. A lot of operators say, yes, automation, very interesting, but we have only that small lot sizes. And that is the way for all these guys of running an automated process for small lot sizes on a turning machine today.
So where do you see this fit in? Would you see it on a simple two-axis lathe, or do you think you need the multitasking, multi-axis machines?
I would say it's more or less for the more expensive machining centers, for like the multitasking machine tools. Not sure if somebody really is spending money for automation on those simple machining centers, but at least if the robot is still there, you can use that system, because we are using the existing robot and we're just updating the lathe chuck. That's all.
And this product, you have a similar product on the milling as well, don't you? So it's not exclusively just for turning. I know it's a slightly different product, but you can also replace chuck jaws on the mill.
Exactly. We have nearly the same system for our force blocks, pneumatic or oil operated, and we can use the system as well on the machining centers.
And this is commercially available now. What's the product name, and is it available?
Yes, it is available. The product name is Rapido. That is standing for the quick jaw change system. Yes, it's available.
And no problem with rigidity, safety, accuracy?
No, definitively not, because safety is the most important point while having a jaw change system on a lathe chuck. We have high RPM, we have high speed, and therefore safety was the most important point we paid attention for the developing of that product.